If you are a chef dreaming of working abroad, this message is for you. Many people think that being a great cook is enough to succeed in another country. A professional kitchen is built on discipline. Show up on time. Keep your workstation clean. Follow food safety rules. Respect recipe. Follow instructions. And pay attention to little details. These are the habits that make chefs stand out. Be ready to learn. Every country has its own way of doing things, but there will always be something new to understand. Don't let pride stop your growth. Ask questions, accept corrections, and keep improving. Learn to work with people from different cultures. Every colleague has something to teach you, and good communication will open doors and talent alone cannot open. First few weeks or months may be challenging. You might feel slow, make mistakes, or even doubt yourself. That is part of the journey. Keep showing up, keep learning, and keep giving your best. Remember, employers don't just look for people who can cook, they look for people who they can trust. Be reliable, be consistent, be honest. Those qualities will make you further than talent alone. So whenever your dream takes you, prepare yourself not only to become a better chef, also a better professional. Invest in your skill, build your character, and never stop learning. Success in the kitchen isn't about where you come from, it's about the value you bring every single day. Follow me for more practical tips, real lessons that will help you wherever your culinary journey takes you.
Faceless or not, they feel my vibe. Food and prayer, that's my tribe. Every caption with a call, every video we hard, no shortcuts, yeah. I respect my craft, from TikTok streets to the YouTube blog. I'm building something big, it's more than just a part, yeah. Blessing they rise like my dough when I need graceful package.